Northeastern took us on one of our first major trips as part of the NUN program. We were to visit the Healesville Sanctuary and Yarra River Chocolaterie. I never had a chance to post any of the footage as school kind of got in the way, so here we go. The day started, as all these trips do, with a 1.5 hour bus ride to Healesville, Victoria. Our first stop was the Yarra River Chocolaterie, where they let us sample a ton of different types of chocolate. As a kid who doesn't really do dairy, this was a bit of a struggle. Nevertheless, I was told the chocolate was amazing. Luckily for me, our trip to the chocolate factory was split into 2 parts. The tour of the factory itself and a boomerang throwing session outside on the gorgeous fields deep within wine country. Here we met an Aboriginal man who handmade boomerangs and a group of Australians who spent the morning teaching us how to throw and catch them. I somehow managed to get a boomerang stuck in the ground and hit myself in the head, twice. After I had finished embarrassing myself, we got back on the bus and drove for another 40 minutes to the Healesville Animal Sanctuary. While the day was mainly free time, we had 2 scheduled events, the first of which was a birds of prey show where we watched a series of huge predators on display. After a questionable lunch of sausages and coleslaw, we spent the rest of the day exploring the zoo, looking at a wide variety of animals. Koalas, kangaroos, wallabies, platypuses, and more. Our final event of the day, which was slightly disappointing, was a platypus show where we were able to see a bunch of small aquatic creatures. With the rain now pouring down, we made our way back to the bus to make the trip back home to Melbourne.